basically, our families were having a get-together. The adults were talking about it. So me and Sam thought we should do something about it. So we decided to do like a coin drive, where we collected like other stuff than just coins.
We collected cash and checks. Once we collected the cash, we needed to decide on a place to send it to. So me and my mom were talking about World Central Kitchen. And we made an announcement for the whole school to hear about our coin drive. And for 2 weeks, we went around the school collecting coins, cash, and checks. And then we made a giant check, and we're gonna send it off soon.
I would think it was gonna be like $500.
I thought it was 1,000, and that was high hopes. And turns out we have $2,471.50.
BASD cares.
Right at the beginning, when the war started in Ukraine, we had started our annual Tiger Trek fundraising event, which is an annual event that we run through our PTA to raise money for our school. And with the events unfolding in Ukraine and the refugee crisis that was evident on TV, our PTA wanted to do something. And so they agreed to donate 10% of our proceeds through the Tiger Trek to help the refugee crisis. But somehow that didn't involve the kids enough, and so we wanted to involve our children and give them something tangible to do to make a difference. And so we have run coin drives in the past, and our kids came up with the idea of let's do a coin drive to raise money to help the refugees. So we really focused on the humanitarian crisis that was unfolding, and we talked to the kids about what a refugee is and how a lot of people were leaving their homes in Ukraine and leaving their towns and their cities. They didn't know when or if they would ever be able to return home. And children are just naturally inclined to help, and boy, did they just absolutely amaze us. So we started running this coin drive expecting to raise, maybe a few $100s, and they just absolutely overwhelmed us with their generosity. And we had coffee cans overflowing in classrooms, and it really just gave them a sense of purpose and really felt like they made a difference, which they did.
So we heard that we were gonna bring in coins, so I decided, well, I have a lot of coins that I'm probably most likely never gonna use. So I decided to bring them all in. So I brought them all in, and they went to a good use.
After I got a lot, I kept asking my family for more, and my family kept giving me some.
All of the baskets were overflowing, and there were coins falling on the ground in our classroom.
Yeah, a whole bunch.
I feel really good that we helped them because they really needed it.
Yeah.
BASD cares.